LeetCode 577 employee bonus. Write a solution to report the name and bonus amount of each employee with a bonus less than 1,000. Return the results table in any order. The result format is in the following example. We're going to solve this easy LeetCode question in both SQL and Pandas, taking you line by line. Let's start coding. What we're taking a look at is two tables. We have an employee table and then we have a bonus table. So we have the employee ID, integer, name, varchar, supervisor int, and then salary int. It says emp ID is the column with unique values for this table. Each row of this table indicates the name and ID of the employees, in addition their salary and the ID of their manager. This time emp ID is the column of unique values for this table. Emp ID is a foreign key, references column to emp ID from the employee table, which is nice, same name. This makes the Python a little bit easier, marginally, I'll just say that. And then each row of this table contains the ID of employee with their respective bonus. And again, we're taking a look at each employee with the bonus less than specifically 1,000. So let's go through that. And then if you take a look at the output over here, we just need to have the name and the bonus. So this actually isn't really too bad. So let's start off with our select statement. We're just going to select the name and the bonus on this side of things. Up next, we're going to grab our first table. Now, the table that we're going to start off with is going to be our employee table. So employee, and let's give this an alias of E. All right, now we're going to left join our bonus table. So left join bonus, and bonus is going to be B. So give that an alias of B. And then we're going to say, we have to say how we're going to join this. So on, it says the emp ID is the same between both tables. So just make this super easy. B.emp ID equals e.emp ID. So emp ID like that. And then lastly, two different ways that we need to do this. So where bonus is less than 1,000. And then we also have to look at the null side of things. So we just say or bonus is null. And we've done that in a few different videos. If you don't do the bonus is null, sometimes, I shouldn't say sometimes, but it won't populate. So make sure you just put bonus is null. And we run that. We should have the correct answer unless I made any typos, and it's been accepted, which this is the correct solution. I've already submitted it. So one last time, how we're walking through this problem. First thing we're going to do is grab the name of the employee, which is going to be in this employees table. To get the bonus, we have to left join to this bonus table. So from employee, we're going to left join bonus B on b.emp ID equals e.emp ID. They mentioned that this key would go between both tables. That way we can grab our bonus amount. And then we're just doing a basic where bonus is less than 1,000 or the bonus is null. All right, let's go on to the Python side of things. All right, so let's start and create something called employee bonus. So employee bonus over here, and we're gonna merge these two data frames. So we can just do pd.merge. And first we put employee, that's our first table. Then we do bonus. And since we have the same key that we're gonna do these tables, and since we have the same exact column that we're going to combine these two tables on, we can just do on equals emp ID. So emp ID like that. And then the type of join what we're going to be doing is a left join. We can specify this in that specific merge. So how, and actually I need to put this outside this single quote, but we say how equals left. All right. Now, next line of code, we're going to filter out. So employee, we'll say bonus filtered like this. And that's going to be equal to employee bonus over here. And I've mentioned this in other LeetCode videos, but just have it like this. We're going to go inside this employee bonus. Since we're going to have multiple things that we're going to be filtering on, put your parentheses like this, put a pipe, and then put parentheses again. And let's grab our employee bonus because we're going to be grabbing that. And specifically, we're going to be taking a look at this bonus column. So populate that. The first one we're going to do is take a look at if this is less than 1,000. So put just less than 1,000 over here. And then we're going to do it for our second side of things. We're going to take a look at over here, employee bonus. And then you can just put is NA like that. Awesome. And then lastly, we're going to return our final data frame. So return, and we can return this employee bonus filtered. And then we're going to be returning two specific columns. So we're going to be returning our name. And then next, we're going to be returning that bonus. So bonus like that. And if I run this, we should have the correct answer. So let's run that really quick. Test results, and it's been accepted. So one more time, just doing what we're going to do is merge these two different data frames. We're merging the employee, we're merging the bonus. We're doing this specifically on the emp ID since it's going to be the same between both data frames. We're going to be doing a left join. So we specify that specific join right over here. Now we have this new data frame, which is employee bonus filtered. We take a look at employee bonus. We're looking at two different conditions. The first one being less than 1,000. And then we're taking a look at if it's a null value, which we can do just dot is NA over there. So that will get all the results that we want. And lastly, since we don't want all the columns, we just want to have name and bonus. We return this data frame, and inside over here, we call specifically that name and bonus in single quotes. We separate that by a comma, and we get the desired results that we specifically want. So that's how you solve LeetCode 577 employee bonus. Overall, a pretty simple question, and this format is asked quite a bit on LeetCode's website and also interview questions. Now, if you did gain some value from this, I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. It's 100% for free, and I'm uploading multiple data videos every single week. I also have some other LeetCode questions and a playlist linked down below in the description, as well as on this video right over here.